Salam, خوبین. Today I'm going to show you how to tell the time in Persian. We're going to focus on telling the time in Persian, first in units 4 and 5 to talk about our daily routine and free time activities, and then we're going to use it throughout the course whenever we're using time references. Telling the time is quite straightforward in Persian. We begin with the word saat, which can mean hour, o'clock, clock, watch, and by extension even time. We follow by the actual time, and as usual, we end with the verb. For example, it's 1 o'clock is saat yeke. It's 2 o'clock is saat doe. It's 3 o'clock is saat se. Chahar in Persian is 4. So how can we say it's 4 o'clock? Saat chahare. And 5 is panj. So how can we say it's 5 o'clock? Saat panje. 6 is shish. So how can we say it's 6 o'clock? Saat shishe. Number 7 in Persian is haft. So how can we say it's 7 o'clock? Saat hafte. 8 is hasht. So how can we say it's 8 o'clock? Saat hashte. 9 is no. So how would we say it's 9 o'clock? Saat nohe. 10 is dah. So how can we say it's 10 o'clock? We would say saat dahe. Yazdah in Persian is 11. So how can we say it's 11 o'clock? Saat yazdahe. And 12 is davazdah. So how can we say it's 12 o'clock? Saat davazdahe. And in order to ask what time is it in Persian, we use the question word chand. Saat chande. Now you already know from unit 1 and 2 that the question word chand is primarily used as how many. از این تو چند روز در هفته کار میکنی؟ How many days a week do you work? But since chand is closely associated with numbers, we can also use it in any kind of question where we expect a number in the answer, such as questions asking about age, prices, phone numbers, dates, and time. So as well as تو چند تا خواهر و برادر داری؟ How many brothers and sisters do you have? And تو چند ساعت میخوابی? How many hours do you sleep? We can use chand in questions like تو چند سال داری? How old are you? Literally, how many years do you have? Or این کتاب چنده? How much is this book? شماره تلفن چنده? What is the phone number? امروز چند شنبه است؟ What day of the week is it today? And امروز چندمه? What day of the month is it today? We will get back to these later for more detail. Now a quarter past something. For quarter, we have rub in Persian. So when we want to say it's a quarter past a certain hour, we would phrase it like this. ساعت 1:15. It's a quarter past 1. ساعت 2:15. It's a quarter past 2. And so on. So again, what time is it? Is ساعت چنده? And if we want to say it's a quarter past 1, we would say ساعت 1:15. And it's a quarter past 2 is ساعت 2:15. Similarly, it's a quarter past 3 is ساعت 3:15. Now what is it's a quarter past 4? ساعت 4:15. What about it's a 5:15? ساعت 5:15. And how about it's a 6:15? ساعت 6:15. And now 1/2 something. For half, we have nim. So to express 1/2 something, we literally say something and half. For example, ساعت 1:30 is it's 1/2. ساعت 2:30 is it's 2:30. And ساعت 3:30 is it's 3:30, and so on. Let's do some more examples. What time is it? Is ساعت چنده? It's 7:30 is ساعت 7:30. It's 8:30 is ساعت 8:30. And it's 9:30 is ساعت 9:30. Now what is? It's 10:30. ساعت 10:30. How about it's 11:30? ساعت 11:30. And how about it's 12:30? ساعت 12:30. And finally, it's a 1:45. A 1:45 is also easy to work out. You already know یک is number 1 as well as the indefinite article a or an. So for a 1:45, we have یک ربع به. Literally a 1:45. For example, ساعت 1:45 is it's a 1:45. And now the final round. Do you remember how we can say what time is it in Persian? ساعت چنده. And how can we say it's a 1:45? ساعت 1:45. It's a 1:45. ساعت 1:45. It's a 2:45. ساعت 1:45. It's a 3:45. ساعت 1:45. It's a 4:45. ساعت 1:45. It's a 5:45. ساعت 1:46. It's a 6:45. ساعت 1:47. It's a 7:45. ساعت 1:48. It's a 8:45. ساعت 1:49. It's a 9:45. ساعت 1:10. It's a 10:45. ساعت 1:11. And it's a 11:45 would be ساعت 1:12. Perfect. Now you know how to tell the time. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.